Murugan visits Sundar and his wife Viji. We have already seen this in lesson 4. Now we'll continue with the same present tense with adding interrogative, imperative, so it makes easy for us. Sundar. Sundar is saying, "Come Murugan, let us eat." Va Murugan, சாப்பிடலாம். Va Murugan, சாப்பிடலாம். Va Murugan, சாப்பிடலாம். சாப்பிடலாம். Here Murugan is invited by Sundar to eat. So he's saying, let us eat. Sapidalam. Now Sundar says to Vijay, you come too. Niyo va. You also join us. I'm not trying to translate. I'm trying to translate that literally so you get the more idea of Tamil. Sundar to Vijay says, you come and join us. Niyo va. Niyo va. He's asking his wife to come. Sundar says, what will you eat? He's asking Murugan, what will you eat? என்ன சாப்பிடுற? என்ன சாப்பிடுற? What are you going to eat? What are you eating? This present tense, but it conveys the meaning of future. What will you eat? என்ன சாப்பிடுற? Sundar says, here is idli, chutney for side dish, sambar. What do you want? You serve yourself. Idli இருக்கு. Idli, that's a cooked rice, cooked puffy rice. Idli. It's a very famous South Indian delicacy, South Indian meal, which is almost staple food for South Indians in the morning. Idli இருக்கு. Dosa இருக்கு. Irukku means it is here. Idli இருக்கு. Dosa இருக்கு. Tottuka இருக்கு. Tottuka is side dish. Tottuka இருக்கு. Tottuka chutney. Tottuka chutney. Chutney is similar to, it's a side dish for many breakfast meals. Sambar. Sambar இருக்கு. Sambar is a lentil gravy. Sambar. எது வேணும்? What do you want? எது வேணும்? எது what? வேணும். நீயே போட்டுக்கோ. You போட்டுக்கோ is actually put, but we commonly use it for many things. Just put that there, leave it there, and it has multiple meanings. நீயே, you, just you. You நீயே போட்டுக்கோ. இட்லி இருக்கு, தோசை இருக்கு, தொட்டுக்க சட்னி, சாம்பார். எது வேணும்? நீயே போட்டுக்கோ. Murugan says, no worries, I'll manage all that. ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஒன்னோ is he wants to emphasize. ஒன்னோ at all. ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை is problem. No trouble at all. பிரச்சனை இல்லை, trouble இல்லை, no trouble. ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. எல்லாம் நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன். எல்லாம், everything. நான், I பார்த்துக்கிறேன். I'll see everything, but he says he will manage everything. That's what he implies. It has another meaning. எல்லாம் நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன். எல்லாம் நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன். Sundar says, oh, that's fine. That's fine then. அப்போ சரி. அப்போ means that. Okay that. Okay then. அப்புறம் வேலைலாம் எப்படி போகுது? அப்புறம் வேலை எல்லாம் எப்படி போகுது? Then work எல்லாம் all எப்படி how போகுது it's going. அப்புறம் வேலை எல்லாம் எப்படி போகுது? To which Murugan says, it's indeed going well. Sometimes there's a lot of work, but it's okay. It's going indeed well. Nalla is good. Nallave, he's stressing on that. It's going good. It's indeed going good. Nallave போகுது, it's going. Nallave போகுது. சில நேரம், sometimes, சில is some. நேரம், time. Sometimes, வேலை ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு. There's a lot of work. வேலை ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு. ஜாஸ்தி is lot. இருக்கு, it is. வேலை ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு. ஆனா பரவாயில்லை. ஆனா is but. பரவாயில்ல. நல்லாவே போகுது. சில நேரம் வேலை ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு. ஆனா பரவாயில்ல. What is your wife doing now? Wife என்ன பண்றாங்க இப்போ? Wife என்ன what? பண்றாங்க. She's doing. பண்றாங்க is பண்ணுறது is to do. Like செய்யறது, பண்ணுறது. என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? What is she doing now? பண்ணுறாங்க க. He's adding g to add respect. Wife என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க இப்போ? Now. What is your wife doing now? To which Murugan says, she's also going for a job. She's working in IT sector. She goes in the morning and returns in the evening. அவளும் வேலைக்கு போறா. அவள், அவ is she. அவளும் also she too. வேலைக்கு for work. போறா, she's going for work too. அவ she ITல வேலை செய்யறா. She works in the IT. வேலை செய்யறா. Here you could see the difference in the conjugation that Murugan says அவ வேலைக்கு போறா. That's because he's talking about his wife. அவளும் வேலைக்கு போறா. அவ ஐடியில் வேலை செய்யறா. She works in the IT. காலையில் போயிட்டு she goes in the morning. morning காலையில் போயிட்டு ராத்திரி தான் வரா. She goes in the morning and comes in the night. ராத்திரி தான், it's again word to stress. ராத்திரி தான் வரா. அவளும் வேலைக்கு போகிறா. ஐடியில் வேலை பார்க்குறா. காலையில் போயிட்டு சாயந்தரம் தான் வருவா. சாயந்தரம் தான் வரா. Murugan to Vijay, not going to job? How do you kill time at home? வேலைக்கு போகலையா? வேலைக்கு to job. போகலையா? போகலையா? வீட்டில் பொழுது எப்படி போகுது? How are you killing time at home? வீட்டில் at home பொழுது time or time span. How does time move? How do you pass time at home? எப்படி, how, போகுது, how is it going? To which Vijay says, there'll be something to do. Housework is no simple. அது ஏதாவது வேலை இருக்கும். ஏதாவது வேலை இருக்கும். ஏதாவது something or other. ஏதாவது வேலை இருக்கும். வீட்டு வேலை ஒன்றும், வீட்டு வேலை, household job, chores. They're not unno at all. சாதாரணம் கிடையாது. It's no simple. சாதாரணம் is simple or ordinary, common. வீட்டு வேலை ஒன்றும் சாதாரணம் கிடையாது is no, கிடையாது, not at all. Now Murugan realizes that he has said something that Vijay has not taken it in the right sense and he wants to salvage it. Murugan says, oops, I didn't mean that. I asked just like that. Oops, I did not mean that. I asked just like that. Che. This is a very commonly used. It differs with the intonation. It can be for something disgusting. It can to say that negation, disapproval, many things. Che. நான் அப்படி ஒன்றும் கேட்கல. நான் அப்படி like that. ஒன்றும் at all. கேட்கல. Did not ask. I did not ask in that manner. I did not ask in that sense. சாதாரணமாக தான் கேட்டேன். Here the சாதாரணம் is just ordinary. I did not imply any other thing. It was not with any intense meaning. Sadharana is here means common, ordinary. Just like that. I asked you just like that. Sadharanama tha at all. He's again stressing. Keten. Sadharanama tha keten. I asked. It's a past tense. We'll cover it later. Sadharanama tha keten. Che. Na appadi kekla. Sadharanama tha keten. How is food? Okay. சாப்பாடு எப்படி? பரவாயில்லையா? It's Vijay asking. சாப்பாடு எப்படி? How is food? சாப்பாடு is meal. சாப்பாடு எப்படி? பரவாயில்லையா? சாப்பாடு எப்படி? பரவாயில்லையா? To which Murugan, oh, that's super. That is super. அட பிரமாதம் பா. Pa is like, oh man, oh come on, oh great dude. You use it for many things like dude or it's an endearing word to use. Illapa. Actually, appa means daddy, but the pa is used in many. It's a very endearing term to be used. It's nice to use. You could hear that being used between friends, old people to younger people, but never young people to old people. That's never used. But older people to younger people, among friends, these are commonly used. Ada pramadam pa. Now Murugan adds to that, It's been a while I had Tamil Nadu food. தமிழ்நாட்டு சாப்பாடு தமிழ்நாடு சாப்பாடு சாப்பாடு is meal சாப்பிட்டு having eaten தமிழ்நாடு meal எவ்வளோ how many நாள் ஆகுது so many days have passed by I haven't eaten தமிழ்நாடு food it's been a while I have தமிழ்நாடு food தமிழ்நாட்டு சாப்பாடு சாப்பிட்டு எவ்வளவு நாள் ஆகுது எவ்வளவு நாள் நாள் ஆகுது Sundar says, let's get up. Here, you wash your hands here. Let us get up. Okay, let's move. Let's எழுந்திருக்கலாம் எழுந்திருக்கிறது is to get up. You also use it for waking up. எழுந்திருக்கலாம் இங்க வந்து கை அலம்பிக்கலாம். Let us wash hands here. இங்க வந்து கை இங்க here வந்து coming here கை hand அலம்பிக்கலாம் wash. You can also say கழுவிக்கலாம், but it's more better to use அலம்பிக்கலாம். கழுவிக்கலாம், they also use it for vessels and several things. It's generally wash. அலம்புறது is more for hands and legs. Alambiko, wash your hands, freshen up, kind of a thing. Murugan says, thank you, everything was tasty. Everything was tasty. ரொம்ப நன்றி. He's emphasizing there, ரொம்ப நன்றி. எல்லாமே நல்லா ருசியாக இருந்தது எல்லாமே all எல்லாமே எல்லாம் is everything எல்லாமே is again stressing there நல்லா very good ருசியா tasty rusi is tasty rusiya emphasizing so whenever you see something like ending it's like they're stressing the words it's stressing on the meaning of it எல்லாமே எல்லாம் becomes எல்லாமே நல்லா நல்லா again stressing ருசியா டேஸ்டியா இருந்தது it was all tasty it was all very tasty now let's look at vocabularies idli it's a steamed puffed rice it's a very tasty one very healthy it's made of lentils and rice dosa is like a pancake but it's used it is made of rice again, similar to the batter used for idli. Dosa. Chutney. Chutney is a side dish. It's not like the Indian, it's not like the Western chutney, but the chutney they use for breakfast is different from the Western chutney. Sambar. Sambar is a gravy made of lentils. These are very, very common dishes that you'll eat in Tamil Nadu. Idli, dosa, chutney, sambar. Side dish. Side dish is tottukka to side dish. To add to as a gravy. Something like that. To put. Podaradu. Podaradu. This has several meanings. You'll see this. This is one meaning that fits all. One word fits all. One verb fits all kind of a thing. You'll say put it there. Leave it there. You use it there. For many things trouble பிரச்சனை trouble job வேலை lot much ஜாஸ்தி a lot ஜாஸ்தி பேசுறான் he's talking a lot he's talking too much ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு it's expensive ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு means it is expensive விலை ஜாஸ்தி it's pricey அங்க Kosu jasti. There's a lot of mosquitoes there. It's used in many contexts. To do, pannaradhu, seyyaradhu. These have interchangeably used. Pannaradhu, seyyaradhu. Pannaradhu is to do. There's also another verb, seyyaradhu, that you'll often come across that. Tiffin seyyaradhu, to do tiffin. Appadi to doing like that. Pannaradhu, tiffin pannaradhu. Morning காலையில் in the morning is காலை but in the morning is காலையில் வருவான் in the morning is more used evening சாயந்தரம் time span பொழுது எப்படி போகுது how are you spending your time பொழுது எப்படி போகுது ordinary சாதாரணம் or just like that it's used again it has many meaning we'll cover it one by one later For now it's ordinary is without anything special. Sadharana, it's nothing special, it's just ordinary. Sadharana. Home, வீடு, வீடு. Meal, சாப்பாடு, சாப்பாடு. To get up, எழுந்திருக்கிறது. Or to wake up, எழுந்திருக்கிறது. Taste, ருசி, ருசி.